I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa pasta. First, gather your ingredients, including your favorite pasta, a jar of salsa, and any protein you desire, like chicken or beans. Begin by cooking about 8 ounces of pasta until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, finely dice 1 medium onion and 2 cloves of garlic, preparing them for the next step in our delicious meal. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your diced onion and garlic, sautéing them until they are fragrant and softened, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, pour in a 15-ounce jar of your preferred salsa. Stir everything together and let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen and combine beautifully. Once your salsa has simmered, drain the cooked pasta thoroughly. Add the hot pasta directly into the skillet with the simmering salsa. Toss everything together gently but thoroughly, ensuring every piece of pasta is beautifully coated in the rich, flavorful sauce. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese before serving. Enjoy your quick and tasty salsa pasta. You can easily customize your salsa pasta. Try adding cooked shredded chicken, black beans, or corn for extra protein and texture. If you like a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes will do the trick. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. This versatile dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a flavorful meal prep option, offering endless possibilities for your taste buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.